So this is the original pic, and I have face swapped it with the Mr. Bean's pic. And you can say this is my one pic, and this is the other. And let me just face swap this pic, and this is how it look like. Now you might be imagining how much smooth it is, and what do you think? This pic is original? No, like legit, I have face swapped it, and in this video, I'm exactly gonna show you how you can face swap any of your image in the highest quality possible. That too in just few seconds. You heard it right. Even though you wanna face swap your video or your image or anything you wanna, or you wanna face swap your multiple faces, this is the exact tool about which I am talking. You will get the link in the description, and trust me guys, this is even more better than face fusion, the tutorial which I have created. The link you will get in the description, and as you can see, you get plenty of options here, and we'll explore these options further. Now let's start with the exact photo face swap. Okay, you get plenty of options here. We'll just explore it one by one. Now the interface is absolutely very much easy and clear. You get two options here: photo face swap and video face swap. So let's explore it one by one. Okay, now if your image has just a single face and you have to face swap just a single image, it's absolutely simple. Now let me show you how I created that pic. Okay, now this is my original image, and I wanna swap it with any of the character. You can say, let's take Mr. Bean, okay, because it's kind of funny. And let's see what will it create. So basically we get V1 model and V2 model, and V2 model is probably more faster and more realistic. So let's try with it, and trust me guys, it takes just few seconds. Okay, just few seconds to generate the pic, and as you can see the comparison here, it's absolutely mind blowing, isn't it? Like, this is the one of the best easiest interface, and by which you can face swap, and it's easy to use too, right? So now what we'll do is, let's go with the multiple faces, and this is the option where it surpasses each and every tool which is in the market right now. Okay, now as you can see, I have uploaded the image. What it has done is he has just analyzed the faces from the image, and just we have to upload our uh, face swap faces, which we have to swap the face, and it's absolutely like amazing, you can say. Like, in just few seconds you can say that the whole image has been generated, and that too in HD quality. Like, this is literally impressive. Like, just imagine, no matter how much faces your pics has, it will just examine it, analyze it, scan it, and just you have to match your faces with the face which you want to swap, and that's it. And even you can download the image, and it is in the HD quality. So let me show you the clarity of the image. Like, you can see guys, in just few seconds I'm generating it, and it's absolutely mind blowing. So hats off to this tool, and I'm damn sure that you are gonna use it for a good purpose, and it will help you a lot. Now, even though you can upload multiple original images here, and as well as the images in the bunch. Now imagine I have to just upload the images here, and I want to face swap with this target face. So what I'll do is, I'll upload the bunch of images here, and I'll just upload my target face on which I have to face swap, and that's it. After clicking on the batch swap, you can examine it, but I guess single and multiple faces are enough. You don't have to go for the batch swap, because literally multiple faces option is absolutely mind blowing. And even you can target the multiple faces with a different image, just like the option which I shown. Now let's try to face swap the video. This is gonna be something crazy. Okay, now what I'll do is, let me select any of the video, and as you can see, you have to select the length first, in which you have to apply the face swap. And what I'll do is, I'll just keep it as it is, and as you can see, now let me upload the actual face here. Now let's swap this video with this face. So I get two options here: if I have to do it in HD quality, or I have to do it in regular swap. Now listen, as you are swiping up the video, it requires time. Okay, so in order to show you in a quick way, I am going with the regular swap. So yeah, the quality will be compromised, but trust me, the clarity isn't. Okay, so we have the option here to convert it into HD, so you can even try it, but trust me, just look at the accuracy. Like, nobody will even say you that this video is kind of fake, right? It is not. Now as you can see, it was just a regular swap, but when you click on this face HD swap, this will work. Trust me guys, this is absolutely mind-blowing. You don't have to go and install that face fusion and all the videos which I have uploaded on the face fusion. Like, people were like, it's kind of complicated. Yes, it is, but This is the tool which surpasses face fusion. Now let me show you this too. As you can see, just look at the clarity. It's absolutely 4K, isn't it? And it's impressive, not gonna lie. And I'm damn sure that this will help you a lot. So this was all about the video. And what if your video has the multiple faces? Right, if a video has the multiple play faces, this tool even helps in that condition too. The most easiest and simple option ever possible. I really liked it and I appreciate this tool a lot, because just you have to capture the face image and it will detect the faces automatically. Like, this is something absolutely crazy, like just few seconds and each and everything is done. So this is impressive. So as you can see, I have uploaded my image, and just we have to face swap with the original face and face swap, and it's all done. Now let me upload the image from here. I'll go for this and I'll go for this, and then the output will be mind blowing. So as you can see, I have selected the duration from here, and this is the output. So yes, it's working, and I'm damn sure that this video was helpful for you. Just go in the description and explore this tool out, and I'm damn sure that this will help you a lot. Till that time, we'll meet in the next video with the crazy tools like this, which will make your workflow easier. Bye bye.